Today in the Meats, the big story is the hogs. They were limit up today all 5 months. Even the last month of May of next year was only up, 295, but really teetering on being limit up across the board. Cash prices were way up, and it seems like the market is in acceleration mode. China's herd numbers are down, and I think that that's what happened. When we finally got those herd numbers, we could see that they were down significantly. As a matter of fact, how much that they have been decreased is as the size of even the U.S. herd. That's how big it is, and that's the kind of numbers we're talking about. So there has been, the pork market finally is engaged, and we can see that the futures have started to jump. Now we've probably run, let me think, about maybe 4 or 5 points in the last couple of days, and that just tells me that we're really like pushing the market higher. Even in the options market, they've been buying a lot more calls on the high side, thinking that we really have a big rallying market here. And of course, at ending the day limit up tells me that there's going to be a lot more volatility ahead. Now, in saying that, that kind of brought along and it really underpinned a little bit for the live cattle market. So the cattle was higher. There's been overflow buying there. The winter storms also are wreaking havoc on an already stressed market in the herds, and there could be some real long-term effects here. So maybe there's another surge coming for the beef. I mean, who would think that we're going to be testing the new highs and start to push through? Our first and second resistance number are going to be 128 and even 130. So hang on to your hat, because this thing could really get rolling. With the feeders rally even further, that tells me that the sentiment is really to the upside here. Traders are just shrugging off any kind of negative news, because there has been, like, some of the beef and cutoff prices were a little bit lower, but who cares? The market is still rallying, so this spillover buying really pushed the prices higher, and the funds that are still long are bullish, and they kind of remain in control and are pushing this market up. That just tells me that there's a lot more volatility ahead, so we've got to be careful. Next week is going to be something new, and we definitely want to be watching come Monday.